Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
This morning mga kapuso at mga kauban ang nag-top 2 sa Architecture Licensure Examination. Walay lain pa kundi si Sir Lance Nathan Lim. Good morning sir, welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Unang-una, congratulations! Kamusta po kayo?
Good morning! Okay na kayo po. Kakatapos lang po sa Master Plumber's exam. So, at least naka-mental break na ko karon. So, karon nagka-transition stage pa ko sa akong next step.
Sir Lance, diligid basta-basta ang imong naangkon nga kalampusan tungod ikaw ang nag-top 2 sa tibuok Pilipinas atol sa licensure examination for architecture this 2022. Can you take us back to that moment nga nahibalaan nimo nga ikaw ang nag-top? Unsa may nagdagan sa imong hunahuna that particular point in time?
When I found out the news, nag-shocked ko kay dili ko na-expect or medyo I was hoping for the best pero di ko na-expect kay I was looking forward to the worst time, yung worst case scenario, pero the times I remember that God is in control, na-calm akong spirit, and I've been blessed so much.
For sure, you've prepared a lot bago pa man ang examination. Unsa ba ang imuhang mga technique sa imong pag-study sir, and how did you manage your time as well?
My technique was find new ways to learn. So what I did was nag-appeal ko sa review center, nag-site visit po ko, nag-learn ko sa actual construction sites. And then, yung sa time management, so what I did was, every day, nag-set ko ng mga goals ba. Pero nag-set ko mga spare time for family, pati Bible study. Dapat ma-balance jud na siya. Otherwise, ma-sacrifice imong mental health ba. Important po na kayo, basig dili ka mas-survive.
This one I must ask, did you expect ba nga mag-top ka for this particular exam? Unsa pod ang initial reaction naman of your family members when they learned about the result?
Medyo naging emotional ako. Pero nung nagawas na yung actual results, nag-overjoy with me. And then, pati especially akong parents and akong immediate family members, kabalo sila na work how much na naging stress siya sa kuha, and to finally see it pay off, nag-overjoy po kaya sila. If anything, I think sila ang mas naging proud sa achievement. Ako, usahay, dili ko pa rin ma-feel na nangyari to ba. Parang dream gihapon kasi, praise God.
Sir Lance, you mentioned nga ang storya ninyo, especially your father, he was also struggling financially back then. Pero naningkamot siya og karon, usa na pud siya ka architect. Kini ba imuhang father og tungod pud sa iyang na experience, did this inspire you na mahimong usa ka architect as well?
Yeah, malaking siyang influence sa akong decision to become architect. So when I was looking for options sa akong career, what came across my mind was yung ginabuhat sa akong father. What he does is nag-mix siya ng art and science, mga balay, mga hospital, mga hotel, mga resort. Gusto ko rin mag-contribute that. I think that kato ang with my father's guidance, pati akong skills, nandyan na yung calling ko as an architect.
Karon nga usa nakaka-licensed architect, unsa ang proyekto nga gina-hope or gina-look forward ni mga unang himuon?
Nahuman na ako architecture licensure exam. Nagtuloy na ako karon February 2022. Akong philosophy jud sa akong life is always be looking to learn. Always find ways to develop yourself. Same akong emotion karon, pero hopeful gyapon ko. As long as I did my best, no regrets na ako. Pero super blessed na ako sa pag-top sa architecture. I'll just consider whatever happens next as bonus.
Sir Lance, doon na ba kayo mga gusto pod pasalamatan o mensahe pod nimo sa tanan natong mga kapuso, especially sa mga estudyante nga nangandam pod para sa ilahang mga licensure examinations?
Yun, so if I want to say anything, siguro always be willing to learn. Dapat you find ways to connect to people, you find ways to research online sa YouTube, anything that you don't know. Kung ma-curious lang ka, kunin mo na yung opportunity na yun. Huwag ka mag-settle sa passing, huwag ka mag-settle lang sa average. Dapat aim high jud ka. So, if you do your best, if you strive to do your best, wala jud kay regrets.
Second kayong salamat, Architect Lance, and once again, congratulations for placing top 2 sa Architecture Licensure Examination and top 1 sa Master Plumbers Examination. Congratulations and more power to you.
Thank you. More power to Davao and Mindanao. Let's go.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.